Welcome back. Today is Monday, first trading day of the week, and the market, as usual, Monday is quite tight range and trading is quite muted and not much movement. But it did come down a little bit and recover. So roughly almost slightly up, slightly down kind of thing. And good news is that I have a new trade, right? And I closed a few trades also. Let's jump in and I'll show you more. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see that there's lesser trades, ongoing trades for me now, right? I did do a trade on SBUX, right? Okay, over here it triggered, right, and started moving. This is highlighted. I didn't even monitor it, right? Okay, I didn't even monitor it. Why? Because over here you can see, right, SBUX was triggered 11th of November at 10:30 when market opened, right? Okay, so when I check the entry price, take profit and stop loss, and after I check, right, I just put in the trade, right? Okay, and after it moved, right, the take profit and stop loss will be removed, right? This is our mechanism to stop people from chasing the trade even though it has moved up a lot, right? Okay, and good news is this is a trade that I done today, right? And it's already $9 of profit, right? And of course, because it gapped a little bit when market open, so I didn't get in at the entry price, and because of that it continued to go up and I went in immediately, so I reduced my risk a little bit, right, for this one. And good news is that I did today Oracle took profit, and my SBUX trade that was done in September took profit as well. So total up roughly $60 of profit, right? Okay, roughly $60 of profit. Not very big, but considering Visa previously last week, I also make profit. BAC I also make much bigger profit, right? But at least these two trade is able to cover one loss. Each trade can cover one loss. More than enough to cover one more loss, which is good enough, right? Okay, so over here, overall you can see my equity is now 4,870-ish, right? Closing in on 4,009. Running profit because of the taking profit, the two profitable trade was taken out. Now my running profit is $34, right? Okay, and like I say, SBUX is a trade that I just went in today, 11/11, right? Okay, so yeah, we see how it goes, but very importantly, Oracle, right, hit my take profit zone, right? It was a pretty good trade, right? Of course, I didn't get in at good price because it gapped up, but I still went in, right? So I roughly got profit from here around somewhere here on the first day, and all the way 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day later of trading days, and I got profit, right? Okay, which is fantastic, right? That's Oracle, right? Okay, there's one more. Let me SBUX, right? Okay, so SBUX was one that took profit, and the trade was triggered here. Almost took profit but didn't, but finally today it took profit. But there was another trade that I showed you just now that I just executed based on the new trade, right? Okay, so overall pretty okay, but of course Apple is down based on my latest trade, right? Okay, I might go in again somewhere around this price, just a small risk, because I went in at a reduced risk when it triggered, because by the time I went in, I didn't get in at a good price, right? I get in slightly higher than my entry price. So we see how it goes. Overall, still quite okay. The indices, like I say again, barely moving much, right? Very tiny candlestick here, bar. And Nasdaq is down a little bit, in fact, right? You can see it over here. Dow Jones is up quite a bit, right? Okay, quite a bit. It's quite strong. But other than that, S&P is negligible. In fact, Nasdaq is down a little bit. That's Monday, right? Monday normally we should see very tight range kind of thing, and this is experience normally Monday and Friday, right? So last Friday we can see that it's very tight range, and even Monday today is also pretty much tight range. Compared with Thursday and Wednesday is a lot different, right? Okay, so moving forward, I think tomorrow onwards, especially Wednesday and Thursday, there might be some good movement, right? Okay, but of course I'll be on the lookout for more trades coming in, right? Good thing is that I took 2 profits, right? Okay, Oracle and StarBucks, and still make a new trade on the StarBucks as well, right? Okay, and I didn't have to monitor because based on our profit signal, right, whenever it trigger, it will send a text message to my Telegram, right? Okay, and I just have to check my Telegram. Oh, there's a trade based on the list of stocks that I'm monitoring over here, and I will just trade them, right? Okay, doesn't take a lot of time, basically only 5-10 minutes a day, right? Okay, sometimes I don't even do anything because there's no trades at all. And I already put in my take profit and I stop loss, and I don't have to monitor it anymore, right? I just focus on making new trades if there are new trades, right? Okay, so it simplifies things a lot, and because of that, it saved me a lot of time and effort in monitoring for trades, right? Okay, because once we execute the trade, right, okay, we don't have to care about those trades already, right? Okay, the take profit and stop loss are all taken care of, right? We focus on see whether there are new trades, right? Okay, and the new trades will be sent to our phone also, right? Okay, so simplify things, save time and effort, right? That's all from me, and if you find this useful, do subscribe and like this video, right? You do me a lot of favor in recording more videos like this to share with you. Basically, I think the market will still stay bullish for the rest of the week, except for today, right? Today is a little bit sluggish after last week of a strong movement, right? Okay, so it's maybe taking a breather. We see how it goes, right? Don't expect it to be as strong as last week, right? The movement, but I still feel like it's still pretty much very supported as well. That's all from me. I'll see you again in my next update, in my next video. See you soon.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.